Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Thanks so much for joining me, you lovely people. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done so, please do so. It's very much appreciated. I'm in my art lab day mode today, so I'm going to try a monochrome maybe pour. So basically it's going to be black, grey, white and kind of like a dark purpley blue. So it's going to be monochrome, I'm thinking, but with, you know, blowing it out. So we should see what happens, hey, and get down to it. I'm actually going to put it as a white background. See how we go. So this is using my Mont Studio acrylics with my pouring medium that I would normally use, and that recipe and description is in my drop down description box underneath this video. If you're looking at this video on a TV, then you obviously, I believe you don't have the drop down box, so you'd have to go onto a laptop or iPad or phone or something like that. But I always put the description of how I mix my paint is under there, and also there is always a link to beginners videos, which just gives you the know-how of what works for me and what I'm doing with my particular pouring recipe. So there you go, there you have it. Now this is the white, but I'm not sure whether it's going to be kind of runny enough to blow my paints over it, but all you can do is try, because I can't seem to get this consistency thing 100% all of the time, only some of the time. So I'm going to use this metallic grey, which I mixed myself from using the Mont metallic silver and adding a blob of black, and it's made this lovely kind of metallic grey look. So how should I do this? Maybe monochrome. Should I? Let me see. Let's do a kind of a duvelacke. Remember, with these particular styles of Dutch pours, you don't use much paint, so if you're kind of on a budget, or you know you're not going to use much paint doing this particular style. So I'm not 100% sure. As I said, these paints have been mixed up before, so this is either my navy or it looks like my berry delicious but berry dark. So I'm not sure if it's going to work, but you just give it a go. So I want it to be the monochromy look, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to put some more of this. I love this custom metallic grey that I've made. I really like it. So this may appeal to a more masculine look. So if I try it on a smaller canvas and it works out something that I like, then I'll try it on a bigger one. But let's give this a go. I'm not going to use my hairdryer. I'm going to go over with my heat embossing tool. And then if this doesn't blow it out, I'll get my mini blower. So I'll just get rid of the air bubbles. I'm going to use my mini blower, which is the world's smallest blower, which I get from my link that's below from Capriole Shabby Chic in Australia. But if you're in the UK or United States, you will find them on Amazon. This is my little mini blower. I've took the snout thing off it, and why these flies are so annoying. Okay, let's give it a go. Pretty. Trying to do this a bit slower. Kind of think about it. Oh, come on, petal. Ooh, actually, I've got to learn to stop with the blower, trying to fix things up with the blower, and then you can always blow them out with your mouth, or what I like to use is my stainless steel straw. But I just wanted something monochrome, simple but elegant, so let's see what we get at the end. Ooh, I like it. Look at the lacing that's coming up in that. Now that's a simple pimple monochrome. And I think on a very big canvas, just those basic colours are going to look really classy. What do you think, guys? What could I add or take away? Soften the edges. Love it, love it, love it. I really love that. That is just beautiful. I love it. Oh, simple, classy, monochrome. I did it. I've left some negative space. You're happy for me because I can never seem to leave negative space. I'm an all in, all out. But I'm going to do a big canvas on. I think I might even do my... I think that maybe would look nice on the hexagon. I call it a hexagonal. But it's a hexagon with something monochrome, then actually resin to bring out the sheen, and using all metallics in it. That's given me, ooh, food for thought. So it's better sometimes to do yourself a little test canvas, you know, just as this is, to see if you get the colours and technique right for what you want to do. But of course, nothing works the same when you do it on a bigger canvas to what it does on a smaller canvas. So keeping that in mind, but I just absolutely love the simple cleanness of that. I love it. And considering I'm a colour freak, I love colours, that's quite surprised me. So thank you for joining me again, guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you. So until tomorrow, bye for now. I just got my camera down because I just love this. Isn't it strange? It's so simple. I've got overhead light on here because it's a bit of a dark day, so you're going to get the glare. It's such a simple but soft. And look at the sheen from that custom made metallic grey. Beautiful. I love it. Hope you do too. So wait on for the photos at the end. So thanks again, guys. A pleasure. Ooh, look at that. Okay, bye.